Today I'll be showing you part 2 of my Thrift Flip Strawberry Skirt Spooktober video. As you can see, I already have the strawberries all painted on the skirt. I initially planned to have my design covered in sequins, just like the Lirika Matoshi dress. I thought that this would be an easy enough concept to execute, so armed with a stunning combination of ignorance and enthusiasm, I embarked upon my first test run. Spoiler alert, it did not end well. Fun fact, this test run took place before I started painting on the skirt, which is why I did not have the strawberry template that I generously provided in the previous video. Here I am using post-it notes as a general guide for the placement of the strawberries, which I am freehand gluing onto this old black top that I have. This explains why none of the strawberries are of a uniform shape. Lesson learned, use a template. The idea for this was inspired by the black version of the Lirika Matoshi Strawberry dress. I figured if this test run was successful, I could then wear it together with my pink skirt. By the way, the tool that I'm using to pick up the sequins is just a wooden skewer covered with melted wax and left to cool. And here we will see the final result. The design looked great from far off, but up close it was a different matter. The problem was that when the glue dried, it left a sort of residue. So when this garment was washed, all the little bits of fuzz from the fabric actually stuck to it and made it look a lot worse.
The glue had also oozed through the sequin, and when I layered even more sequins on top of it, that contributed to the problem of the whole thing not holding well to the garment. I only discovered this problem after I washed it, and by this point I had already painted the strawberries on my pink skirt. Oh well, looks like I can't finish my skirt then. I should just stop the video right here. Bye everyone, thanks for watching!
Just kidding! I knew it was time to go back to the drawing board. And by drawing board, I mean my tablet, of course. As you can see, I decided to go with a chocolate design. White chocolate to be exact. And I thought by dripping it off the strawberry, I could create these gruesome looking skull images that will look kind of creepy, but also kind of cute. So armed with this new design, I embarked on the next step of my project. Here I'm using a white Posca pen to outline the drips and the general design onto the strawberry. Here you can see me cheating by covering up my mistakes with a pink Posca pen so it will blend in with the skirt. Speaking of cheating, it rhymes with eating. And speaking of eating, I would say it's time for a snack. No, not ham. can see, I made sure every single strawberry had a unique expression, so I had a ton of fun painting these. In terms of coverage, I found the fabric paint to be far superior compared to the Posca Pens. However, I did find the Posca Pens extremely useful and convenient to use for these black outlines that you see here. I felt that these black outlines really gave the whole design a finished look and contributed to the charming handmade, creepy cute aesthetic that I was going for.